Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mike from Mike's Garage, and today I got another going for you. Today I'm going to show you how to change a headlight with some dielectric grease. I know it's kind of basic, but I'm going to show you a few things that I know a lot of people miss when they're in there changing headlights. A few things to look for, maybe some signs of why your headlight's blowing, or just a little tips and tricks while we're in there. So we got the wife's car here. I don't know what headlight's bad, but we're going to go ahead and check that right now. Alright guys, as we can see, the driver's side headlight is out. We have the passenger side working just fine. Unfortunately, it couldn't be the passenger side because there is room for days over here, no room over here. So what we're going to do, go ahead, turn the lights off, take that cap off, and I'm going to show you what we have to do. Alright, it's going to be hard for me to get the camera in there, so I'm going to show you a few things on this side right here. And take that cap off. So this is a clip style headlight. I know it's kind of hard to see, probably a bad camera angle. Clip style, so what it means is you have these there's a pin right here on the left hand side that you're going to have to push down, pull out, and the headlight will come out. Now with this, I'm going to show you a few things you guys have to look for. Let me get that camera situated. There we go. Just like that, the light comes out, and the bulb will come out. If I can do it with one hand, perfect. A lot of things you want to look for when you're changing headlights. People just change them and don't really look for any telltale signs of anything. Look for hot wires. You'll see these wires kind of melted. You might see some copper poking through. Also, look for a melted connector. If the connector is melted, that means this is getting too hot, whether it be high resistance from the bulb or corrosion or what have you, but look for a melted connector. If your connector's melted, it's very easy to change. Just cut the wires, splice in the new connector, and you're good to go. Another thing, whenever you're changing out headlight bulbs, anything like that, I always use a good grade of dielectric grease. What dielectric grease does, it prevents corrosion, keeps moisture out, a lot of things to kind of help prevent any melting, any corrosion, any resistance, anything like that, along with any light. So we're going to go ahead and change the other light and go from there. Alright, now that we got that bulb in, we're going to go ahead and throw some dielectric grease on there. I don't know if you can really see, but this connector looks really good. No melting, no corrosion, anything like that. And this dielectric grease would help fight or prevent any corrosion or moisture in there. So what you do is you basically go on each terminal, put a little bit in till it's full, a little bit in till it's full, and put it back on. And that's it. Oh, get the and we're on. Alright guys, and just like that, you have both your headlights working in no time. Very easy to fix that, very easy to replace. All I got to do is put this cap back on, clean up my little mess I got, and go from there. Thank you for the view. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at FireTruckMechanic. If you guys have any questions, comments, recommendations for another video, please leave them in the comments section, and we will see you all on the next one.